Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody ask me how I know.
This is day 8 and we are at Bluebay. As you can see, everything is blue here, including my short. So this is the nicest beach so far. And it looks like we're gonna spend most of the day here.
As this whole day considered being a beach day, I haven't really made any vlogging style footages. However, I stayed very loyal to my drone, so let's switch to bird's eye view and just enjoy the blue bay of Mauritius from above. Alright, let's go.